Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to adjust suction power on DREAME D20 Plus. You can change the suction power by clicking on this custom button right here. Then suction power can be changed in vacuum or vacuum and mop modes, and it can be set to quiet, standard, intense or max. And then you can also go to vacuum, and in vacuum mode you can also enable max suction power, which I know it has the same name as max here and max here, but when you enable this max suction, it's going to be even higher suction power than if you clicked on max here. Of course, it's going to be louder but and use more power, which means it may need to recharge the robot more frequently, but feel free to check to select whichever one you actually need at that time. And one more thing is that you can adjust suction power differently for different rooms. To do it, click on customize and click on set. Now select a room that you'd like to change the suction power for. I have the living room selected currently, and I have the cleaning room mode set to vacuum and mop. Then suction power I have set to standard, and I have other settings as well. Then in kitchen I have set different settings. It's only vacuuming without mopping, and I have set the suction power to intense. So that's how you can do it, and then you can approve it, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.